Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 17, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 10th row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 4, 8. 10th row, we have 6, 9, 3. That 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come any other 3 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. Column D, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then 10th row, only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. Column J, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 5, 8. It will come any one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2nd grade, we have pair numbers 1, 4, 8. So 1, 4, 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 3 cells. Column C, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then third row, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Column B also we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, column F, 7th row, we have pair numbers 9 and 4. So 9 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row and 7th row, column E, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Third grade, and ninth grade. We have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in with the two cells. We will confirm later. Third grade. 8th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 5. Fourth grade, we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column C, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C, second row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. First grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. Column I, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Ninth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Third grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third grade, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Sixth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. Third row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 1 and 8 will confirm later. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 8th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 7th row and column G, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.